told that Sheldon left his house at 8:30 a.m. and then arrived later at his friend's house at 11:30 a.m. Questions: what's the distance between his house and his friend's house? So statement 1 says he stopped twice along the way. Well, that doesn't tell me anything. There's no information about distances, so 1 alone is sufficient. 2 says his average speed while he was driving was 96 kilometer per hour. Now, the statement 1 tells you about something about stopping. So when they say give you the average speed, and yes, we know that it took him 3 hours to get there, we could find the distance if he was driving all along, because this is the average speed while driving. But we don't know for how much of this time he was driving. You know, for example, if he was driving for 2 hours and stopped to rest for 1 hour, in this case, the distance he traveled would be 96 times 2. But if he drove only for 1 hour and, I don't know, slept for 2 hours at a rest stop, then the distance covered would be 96 times 1. So 2 alone is insufficient. And then if I combine 1 and 2, it just tells you stop twice, but doesn't tell me anything about the time he stopped. So even combining this, I don't really know. It could be the same thing. He stopped for 1 hour in one case, where it could be 30 minutes here, 2 hour in the other, an hour. And so the distance would be different because they give you the average speed while Sheldon was driving, not including everything. So 1 and 2 together are still not sufficient. The answer is E.